All right, with the Whirlpool front loading washing machine, one feature that I like the most about this is the delay feature. All right, it allows you to delay the wash until a specific time. Say for instance, right now, I'm about to head out and go somewhere right now, and I don't want the wash, I want to become able to come back home and put the clothes in the dryer. And if I were to wash it right now, they'd be sitting too long and they might accumulate a smell to it before I put it in the dryer. And that's what I do not want. So what I'm gonna do is, I have the clothes that I want to be washed already in there with detergent, all right? And so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the door for the wash machine, and then I'm gonna choose a setting that I want. I'm gonna do sanitize, all right? So I have the sanitize setting, all right, and then I'm going to choose the exact wash that I want. It's going to be a normal sanitize, extra rinse on. Okay, all of that is good, great, good, settings good. And so now I'm going to do the delay. I'm going to delay this wash for up to 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. I'm going to delay this. All right, great. And then after I hit that, I'm just going to go ahead and press start. Hold it down for a couple of seconds. And it is on. And as you can see this right here, the flashing light right here, it is flashing, indicating that the delay wash is on. So after 3 hours, this wash selection that I selected is going to start. And that should be about the time, by the time it finishes, the wash takes a little bit, about an hour and a half. By the time it finishes, I should be just arriving back home in order to put the clothes within the dryer, so I don't have to wait for so I can put them in the dryer and they're not sitting in the washing machine wet, accumulating a smell. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.